In today's digital age, making money online has become increasingly accessible and popular. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged online business, there are numerous opportunities waiting to be explored. Here are some tips and tricks to help you navigate the vast world of online earning potential. 1. Identify your skills and interests. The first step in making money online is to identify your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or teaching, there's likely a way to monetize your talents online. 2. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to leverage your skills to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, such as writing, graphic design, coding, and more. Create a compelling profile highlighting your expertise and start bidding on projects. 3. Create a blog or website. If you have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, consider starting a blog or website. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling digital or physical products. Consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience to attract traffic and generate revenue. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs of companies relevant to your niche and promote their products through your blog, social media, or email marketing. Focus on building trust with your audience and recommending products that genuinely add value. 5. Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. Alternatively, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions through platforms like Zoom or Skype. 6. E-commerce. E-commerce presents endless opportunities to make money online by selling physical or digital products. You can create your online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Research market trends, identify profitable niches, source or create products, and market them effectively to drive sales. 7. YouTube channel. YouTube offers a lucrative platform for earning money through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Create engaging videos on topics you're passionate about and build a loyal subscriber base. Consistency, quality content, and audience engagement are key to success on YouTube. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a low-risk e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Partner with dropshipping suppliers who handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. Set up an online store, choose products to sell, and market them to your target audience. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and drive repeat purchases. 9. Stock photography and videos. If you have photography or videography skills, you can make money by selling your work online. Join stock photography and video platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Upload your high-quality images and videos, and earn royalties every time someone licenses your content. 10. Virtual assistants. Many businesses and entrepreneurs require virtual assistants to handle various tasks such as email management, scheduling, social media management, and customer support. Offer your services as a virtual assistant on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or specialized VA websites. Conclusion. Making money online requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. Whether you choose freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or any other method, success often comes down to providing value to your audience and staying committed to your goals. With the right mindset and strategy, you can unlock the vast earning potential of the online world.